Hey guys, if you're struggling to jot down amazing and professional prompts to create your own images using NanoBanana, so in this video I'm gonna show you the best websites to get amazing prompts to create your masterpieces just in few seconds. So now let me show you. And the first website here in our today's list, that is bananaprompts.xyz. Here, basically, this amazing website enables people to share their prompts they are generating on NanoBanana or other AI image generators to make users take benefit of these amazing images to make their own ones. So here, share your prompt behind the art. And the best part here, you can find really stunning images here using these amazing NanoBanana Pro, as you see in these amazing examples. And of course, you can find some of these images are behind paywall, like in premium page, as you see, but most of these images are completely for free. Like this one is a stunning one. If you just generate this image for you in this amazing vibe, as you see, like this one as you want. So for sure, you can explore the whole library here, explore trending prompts. Then you can find this amazing one as you see. Perfect. So these more personal images that you can use to create your own profile picture or business picture as you want on TikTok and Instagram, as you see. So let's say together test one of them quickly. Like I would like to test this one, like this one, photo black tie. Okay, so you can find this prompt as you see. For sure, it's you can find in different languages like Spanish, Portuguese. So I can go back to just select one in English to be more quick, like this one. Okay, like this one, urban reflection and dramatic light. Okay, so I can copy this prompt and now we can head over to NanoBanana, like this one. And here you can insert this prompt as it is, and just I would like to create images and upload here an image of me to apply this prompt to my own image. So I can the file, upload image like this one, and just go. And now just in a few seconds here we can just figure out if this prompt would work or not. So just in a few seconds we can find this amazing result from NanoBanana, just as you see. Of course, just convert me to this amazing urban reflection, the best. Okay, so this website, the amazing one here. Of course, you can regenerate more of these images as you want. Okay, perfect. So the first website on today's list, this is bananaprompts.xyz. And the second website quickly, that is NanoBananaprompt.org. Here in this amazing website, you can generate high quality prompts ready to use in NanoBanana based on your description or your basic idea. So for example, here I just generate an advertisement about a book titled The Power of Silence in Business or something like that, as it comes to my mind right now. So I can just insert this prompt, create an advertisement and add an ad titled The Power of Silence, for example, and business. Okay, anyway, and generate your prompt. Just in 5 seconds here you can find amazing prompt here, detailed one, as you see. So I can copy this prompt all in all and head over to NanoBanana, and it gives me this amazing result as you see, like this one. Perfect. And you can find this amazing one, the silence in modern business, unlocking strategic focus and leadership. Perfect, isn't it? So just follows this prompt exactly. So this website enables you to generate high quality prompts that you can use later on NanoBanana or any other AI image generators as you want. So here for sure you can find some exactly NanoBanana prompts or Pro. Here you can find up to 30 of these prompts ready to use, as you see, like as for as for poster, as for advertisement, as for profile pictures, portrait, post on social media, infographics or something like this one. Create an educational infographic explaining something. For sure you can find this topic in brackets, as you can change later regarding your own topic and your keyword, as you see. Okay, so there is not a big such a library, but here you can find this amazing one. But for sure it's updated daily by more additive prompts to use for NanoBanana. So this website is nanobanaprompt.org. And the third website quickly, that is freedo.com. Here you can go tools, and then you can go quickly to the free Midjourney prompt generator. It's like the previous one to generate high quality prompts that you can use on NanoBanana. So you can insert your prompt or your idea as you want. Then it gives you a beautiful and detailed prompt that you can use on any AI image generators, including NanoBanana Pro. Okay, so I just used it before to be quick in this video, and the result was amazing, like this one. As you see, the same idea, the book titled The Power of the Silence in Modern Business. Here it gives me this amazing book advertisement. Okay, so this website is freedo.com. And the next website quickly, that is generateprompt.ai. Here you can find amazing library of prompt generators here, like for image to prompt, AI humanizer, and so on, including image prompts. Here you can get splendid prompts for your generation. So you can set your prompt or your basic idea that gives you a fully professional prompt. Like this one, for example, an infographic about the best tips to avoid overthinking. Okay, and generate image prompt. That's it. Okay, so I can copy this whole prompt and go to like this one and scribe your image. Just go. As you see, amazing one. Practice mindfulness, set time limits for decision making, focus on what you can control, and the like. Perfect infographic to avoid overthinking. Okay, so this website is generateprompt.ai. And the next website here, you can get high quality prompts for your images on NanoBanana. Of course, you can head over to Ideogram.ai. Just you can sign up for free. Then you can find huge amounts of these images ready for your work and for your inspiration. As you see, like this one here, you can get this prompt, for example, with your own image to apply this position, this posture, this look to your image. Okay, like this one here, this one, advertisement or poster, logos. Amazing one, as you see. And of course, you can find this prompts ready to copy and use on your NanoBanana generator. So this way you can get high quality prompts to create your own masterpieces on NanoBanana or any other AI image generators completely for free. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.